Not gonna lie, I was really expecting the Fireblade.
We got a major problem. 6th gear on this thing is blown.
No way.
I swear to God, bro.
What did you do?
Dude, I'm telling you, when I said last night in the chat, and I said I almost got stranded on the side of 480, now I know what the problem is.
You got no oil in there. Hold on, let me bring this out. I'm gonna bring this out real quick.
Oh, are you coming out?
Yeah. Well, you want to just keep it here?
That's definitely a warranty thing, right?
6th gear, yeah. Why? How is it blown out?
Dude, it goes into 6, and I hit the throttle, just rev.
Oh no.
It just revs, bro. I was banging that back down 2 gears, and I went down into 5th, and I went back up to 6, and it like launched into, I think, 5th.
That's not good, bro.
Dude, wait till we get on the freeway. Like, I can't. There's no way I'm gonna be able to like run efficiently without 6. It's definitely not the oil. It's definitely not that. It's my clutches.
Let me check the oil just to be safe.
Dude, it's bad. I couldn't figure out what it was because last night I got home. I'm like, what is it? And now at least I know it's just 6th gear. Italian. I'm never buying a European bike again.
Oh no. Here, wait. You want me to stand it up so that way you can get an accurate reading? Putting my hand right where your nutsack was.
Nah, brother, it's got oil in it.
Well, then you're good.
It's low, but it's definitely got oil in it.
Huh. If she blows, she blows.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm not even lying. It actually might go.
Well, I got about fucking every camera I own on me, so. Oh, ouch, look at that. Mine starts right up, babe.
Where's the trash?
It's out in the street.
The biggest fucking waste of 28 grand of my life.
Well, I mean, you should be able to warranty it. It's still under warranty, so that's a good thing.
Dude, why does this have to happen right as I'm like about to get a new bike?
Because it's like put me out of my misery. I mean, if she blows up, that'll make some good content at least. Aprilia probably won't be too happy about it, but.
Dude, all I'm saying is if it blows up, it's getting towed right to state 8.
It's probably a great thing that we're going to throw point instead.
Oh my god. Dude, I wanted them to give me a quote too on this bike.
You don't have to tell them. I mean, yeah, they probably won't get the 6th on a test ride. Oh, kickstand, oops. I was like, no way.
I tried to like just shrug it off last night.
Oh, you started experiencing it last night?
Yeah, do you remember? I put in the group chat, I was like, RSV4 almost killed me on the way home. Dude, I was in 6 revving. It brought me all the way down to 40 miles an hour on the freeway. I was literally coasting to the berm because I'm like, okay, I'm about to break down.
I don't know if I should have you in front of me just in case your bike dumps oil all over me, but whatever.
Just stay to the left or right of me.
Yeah, I've heard that.
We're going right?
Yeah, taking 70.
See, first through 5th work.
I'm glad I got this one. This one's been problem fucking free. Nah, that sucks, dude. It really does.
Dude, if this thing blows up, that would be me blowing up 2 bikes in less than a year.
Yeah, maybe quit riding like a maniac. How often did you change the oil?
Last one I changed was at I think 4,000. I'm at 69. But that's just like that was supposed to be my oil change and like brakes and shit. Which I had already changed the oil before that came on.
I feel like the oil is like the most important aspect of a bike.
Listen, I'm telling you, my oil change is not causing 6th gear to not work properly. Major MILF in front of us, I think. I didn't get a good view, but I could just see her hair.
It's someone's mom, dude.
I don't give a fuck. Look at this, complete balance.
Because you're like 2 centimeters off the ground, that's why.
Damn straight, brother.
At least it's like a nice cool day and it's not to sit.
You would be in hell, literally.
Both of us. What are you talking about? You got cylinders right there. It's a shame that thing's like not working out for you. That thing sounds so good.
Yeah, it's so gnarly. Look at this.
What am I looking at?
Sick balance act.
Is there a sidewalk there? You want to just hop on the sidewalk and I'll go up the shelf?
We could go. Here. Just follow me.
I was gonna say we could just split this.
You going to Shell? We're going to Shell?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm good on gas.
Getting on the highway is gonna be way worse. I mean, maybe not. All these people aren't going. Holy crap, people go! Call Kyle real quick. Do you happen to have any new Panigale V4s?
New Panigale V4s?
Yes.
I wish you would have asked me 2 hours ago. The only one that I've had for a week, and I just took a deposit on it.
He's having a lot of troubles with his RSV4, and he's telling me that he was gonna buy one if you guys had one.
Let me go see if Indy has one. I mean, Indy has one. I'll get it brought up next week.
Go for it.
Yeah. Can I call you back in like 2 seconds?
Yeah, just give me shoot me a text because we're gonna go to State 8. No, not State 8. Throw point real quick.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. I'll let you know.
Sweet. All right. That was Kyle. They don't have one. They literally just took a deposit on one that they have there.
For real, dude. What is that timing?
Like an hour ago. Well, he said that he can like look for one in Indy and get it here next week if you want to see it.
Oh, but here's the thing. Can they add in the price of the exhaust with the total price of the bike?
Yeah.
I do not feel like spending 30 whatever out of pocket right now.
Oh yeah, no, they finance it all together.
Okay, yeah, good.
I usually actually have to ask them to separate them so that way I can buy the exhaust with my business instead. I can't buy the bike with the business, but I can buy accessories and stuff. So.
Because I was if I wasn't gonna get if I can't like do the Acura with it, I was just gonna get like the SC Magic on it because them Acuras is crazy expensive.
I would get the Acura. That's just me though.
Can we go up this lane right here to the inside one?
Yes.
I'm having trouble going into neutral too.
That's just probably an oil thing. Well, I mean, who knows? Considering you're having issues with the entirety of the transmission right now, so I don't know what I'm talking about.
Ay. Right on, brother.
What did you say?
He went like this. He was one of those.
I can't do that because my hands connect.
My finger will not go.
Yeah. All right. Go.
Don't rush me! I'm not suing them, I'm suing you.
Oh my god. If I wasn't on this bike, I would literally split all the way to the front. Saw that. Clipped and shipped.
What are you gonna do? Happens to the best of us.
I literally did it at my house. Don't worry about it.
You kickstand yourself.
Yeah, no, I don't know what's worse, but...
I don't even know what I did. Dude, I think I'm too thick to get through here. Oh no, definitely making this. Yeah, buddy!
I don't know if I can.
Dude, if my big ass got it, you definitely can.
I don't get why they don't make this like a double turn. I don't know. Well, if I get a nail in my tire, I blame you. Why does it sound like it idles like that?
That's just how they are.
It's struggling, bro.
Like it's got a cam in it.
Yeah, except it doesn't. Alright, let's hear this thing. I can't wait. You're just gonna like start falling backwards and just go.
Dude, what if it's fixed?
Go.
Oh,
we make that.
Come on, you thought I wasn't going through that either way?
I got a little bit worried. Oh my god.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh wait, come back here. Or yeah, go on that lane. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm in 6 right now.
Do it again. No way. Is it literally like neutral?
Look.
Oh my god. That's nuts.
Dude, it smells like my clutch is on fire.
That's such a weird behavior for a clutch failure that I've never heard of just gears failing individually.
No, it's working right now.
That's whack.
It didn't like fully go, but it was so delayed. Is this the right one?
Yeah. Come on, Mr. Directions. How about a Hogger?
Remember.
The only bike I would consider from the Sportster S, but like there's no one I would be able to ride it with because all you guys ride so fast. I just get dusted every time. And plus I hear that they have issues like cornering and stuff, so I'm like, not really about it.
Dude, who's buying a Harley to corner?
I'm not parking with that. I can't be seen with that.
They're gonna think he's your boyfriend.
All right.
No brokies allowed. Dude, stop looking at my bike.
Sure better than the Aprilia at this point. They give you a good trade. Will you literally buy a new bike today? I was gonna say. You literally said you wouldn't.
I'm gonna get lowballed him. Say he's gonna give me 15 to 16.
Yeah, this is probably the easiest bike ever to work on. So easy to work on. You can tear shit apart so fast. You're probably saving your money in the long run. Yeah. Alrighty, be safe. Now let me go grab the fucking blade.
It might help you to get that thing fixed under warranty first and then do it.
No, I'm 100% gone.
Because then you can be like, oh, this is a clean trade instead of being like, oh yeah, so it's slipping out of first and 6. The thing is about Ducati is they won't sell it. They're just gonna ship it off to auction, and some poor bastard at auction is gonna buy it.
Hey brother, that's on him.
Well, it's usually dealer auction, so like some Aprilia dealer is gonna buy it and fix it up.
Well, Ducati doesn't even sell. I've never seen them sell other bikes other than Ducatis.
They sometimes do. It depends, but likely that since it's an Aprilia, it's like an opposing brand, they will likely just ship it off to auction. Damn, I wanted to blow the socks off this dude too. Oh my god, why do we have 2 cars right in front of us? We have this awesome, I wouldn't call it freeway. Yeah, we call it a freeway.
This is Route 8, bro. This basically is a freeway. They definitely don't like to have fun.
I thought this was sick, like, in the beginning, because, like, you have a V4, I have a V4, you have a,
We both had Italian V4s, but they're different in their own good way.
And we also...
Mine mostly the bad ways, but...
I was talking about, we also have 2 flat plane inline 4s. You have the CBR S1000. That's really cool.
That is very cool. It's cool until shit starts breaking.
Yeah, now it's coming up. Just get another one. Just get another RSV4.
That is so crazy. That's that. You're crazy.
I'm kidding, obviously. Might as well try. The thing's blown up anyway. Might as well try.
Oh, you want me to go in 6 right now?
Yeah. Can you basically treat it as a neutral? I'm actually curious. Like when you come to a, can you stop at 6? Like and clutch out?
Oh, dude, I don't even want to try that. I'll go and launch myself into this car right here.
No. Just hold the brake. You might have to roll it back and forth, or maybe not. Here, you might have to move the wheel, the back wheel. You have to like move it back and forth a little bit. Brian, you have to like move it back. You have to move the wheel.
I'm trying, dude. I was stuck in 4th. Oh, dude, look.
No way. Look. What is that sound? What is that?
Wait, dude, I don't know. What the fuck was that? Dude, what the fuck was that? Dude, this shit's so crap.
Oh my god.
Dude, I don't know what is wrong with this thing, bro. I really do not.
Oh my god. It's a 6, starts grinding and you're not going anywhere.
Dude, there's something majorly wrong.
Oh my god. That is the funniest thing I've ever seen. And the noise, oh my
Wrap
god.
it up. Wrap it the fuck up.
Let's go grab some fire plant. Oh my god. How are you gonna get it to
Thank
state
God.
8? How are you gonna get it to state 8 tomorrow? Popping it, it's sitting in 6th
Pop
gear
it
in
in
the parking
6.
lot.
Listen to this shit.
It looks like it was like pulling you forward a bit.
That noise was not a good noise.
No, it wasn't. It sounded like the gears like boggling around inside your transmission. What is it doing that time?
No, it didn't do nothing. I'm just saying, like, that noise. Ugh.
Whatever it wasn't good.
It just, you're right, it just sounded like grinding. I'm like, hey guys, it's me again. This shit's broke. Again. For the second time. Someone crashed here yesterday.
They cleaned it up pretty good. What, are they drunk?
No, it was some young kid.
Oh.
I wonder if my dad's awake. I gotta explain this. Oh, dude, look. A true bike that will work.
He's so mad. I mean, I would be too, but... Hello?
Yo,
What up?
what up? What are you doing?
I'm riding with Brian.
Where are you guys at?
We're at his house. We'll be leaving here shortly. He swapped out his RSV4, which is slipping out of 6th gear. Dude, it's
You should probably do an oil change, buddy.
Dude, we stopped at an intersection. I told him to pop it. He's laughing. I told him to pop it into 6th and let the clutch out, and it didn't move. It just sat there.
You need to do an oil change, my guy.
That's not an oil change, dude. That means catastrophic engine failure is probably around the corner.
Like what?
Broke. Something's broke, yeah.
Oh, it's broke.
I didn't ride this bike for 2 months.
Oh, if this bike starts having issues, then we have problems.
Oh, we got more than just problems, buddy. Dude, my RSV4 has a built-in dry clutch all of a sudden.
It also has a built-in second neutral.
Ugh.
These are features, not bugs. Well, thanks for the daily reminder not to buy an RSV4. I really appreciate it.
No problem, I got your back.
Came at a really good time.